by. It's time for a regular Saturday ride. Raining a little bit, not too bad though. Down here on Water Avenue. So let's see if we can ride along Water Avenue for a little bit. Albany has plans for a big redevelopment along Water Avenue here, along the riverfront. Wondering how the COVID-19 pandemic is going to affect the planning for this. My guess is it's going to delay that somewhat. We'll have to see. Here on the left is the construction of a new, a lift station, pump station for the sewer system. It's supposed to be finished this month. We'll see if that works. Well, you can see that the wind is blowing, or you can probably hear that. Chances are you can't hear very much else. Oh, shit. Well, that was a problem. But I'm okay, it looks like. I think time to stop this little experiment. I think I'm going to have to figure out a better way to do this camera thing. Anyway, I'm Hustle Herring, and I'll see you later here on HH Today.